audio version of the article by Alexander Ovsyannikov, founder of Real Estate Group. How to make a fortune in 2024 by investing in Muscat's luxury apartments under construction. Part 2 of 4. Want to buy real estate in Oman? Write to WhatsApp +797 737 65428, and we will find the best options for you. Everyone buys from us. Listen to Part 1 for the beginning. Chapter 2. Buying property under construction for resale or rental. Buying property under construction for resale or rental in Muscat can be a lucrative and rewarding decision, as it can offer several benefits, such as lower prices, higher returns, more choices, and more customization options. However, buying property under construction also involves some challenges and risks, such as delays, defects, legal issues, market fluctuations, and unforeseen events. Therefore, it is essential to choose a luxury real estate agency in Muscat that can help you with buying property under construction for resale or rental in 2024. A luxury real estate agency is a professional and specialized service provider that can assist you with finding, evaluating, negotiating, and purchasing the best property under construction in Muscat that suits your investment goals and preferences. A luxury real estate agency can also help you with selling or renting the property after completion of construction, depending on your investment strategy. But how do you choose a luxury real estate agency in Muscat that can meet your needs and expectations? Here are some tips and criteria from Real Estate Group to consider when choosing a luxury real estate agency in Muscat. Counsel 1. Experience and reputation. Choose a luxury real estate agency that has a long and successful track record in the Muscat real estate market, especially in the luxury segment and the property under construction niche. Look for a luxury real estate agency that has a good reputation and positive reviews from previous and current clients, as well as from industry peers and experts. You can check the online presence, the portfolio, the testimonials, and the awards of the luxury real estate agency to verify its experience and reputation. Counsel 2. Knowledge and expertise. Choose a luxury real estate agency that has a deep and up-to-date knowledge of the Muscat real estate market, especially in the luxury segment and the property under construction niche. Look for a luxury real estate agency that has a team of qualified and skilled agents who can provide you with accurate and relevant information, analysis, and advice on the best areas, projects, developers, prices, trends, and opportunities in the Muscat real estate market. Counsel 3. Service and communication. Choose a luxury real estate agency that offers a high level of service and communication to its clients, from the initial consultation to the final transaction and beyond. Look for a luxury real estate agency that listens to your needs and preferences, understands your investment goals and strategy, and tailors its service and communication accordingly. Look for a luxury real estate agency that is responsive, transparent, and proactive in communicating with you throughout the buying process, and that provides you with regular updates, feedback, and reports. Counsel 4. Network and resources. Choose a luxury real estate agency that has a strong and extensive network and resources in the Muscat real estate market, especially in the luxury segment and the property under construction niche. Look for a luxury real estate agency that has access to a wide range of properties under construction in Muscat, from apartments and townhouses to villas and penthouses, that match your investment criteria and budget. Look for a luxury real estate agency that has connections and relationships with the best developers, brokers, lawyers, bankers, and other service providers in the Muscat real estate market, and that can leverage them to facilitate and optimize your buying process. Counsel 5. After-sales service and support. Choose a luxury real estate agency that offers a comprehensive and continuous after-sales service and support to its clients, especially if you are buying property under construction for resale or rental. Look for a luxury real estate agency that can help you with selling or renting the property after completion of construction, depending on your investment strategy. Look for a luxury real estate agency that can help you with marketing, pricing, negotiating, and closing the deal with the best buyers or tenants in the Muscat real estate market. Look for a luxury real estate agency that can also help you with managing, maintaining, and enhancing the value of your property after completion of construction. These are some of the tips and criteria to consider when choosing a luxury real estate agency in Muscat that can help you with buying property under construction for resale or rental in 2024. However, there may be other factors that may influence your decision, such as the fees, the availability, the personality, and the compatibility of the luxury real estate agency. Therefore, before making a final decision, Real Estate Group recommends you to consult us on WhatsApp +797 737 65428, and we will find you the best options in Oman. Hopefully, Real Estate Group in this chapter will help you find the best luxury real estate agency in Muscat. Chapter 3. Choosing a luxury property under construction in Muscat for investment or living. Choosing a luxury property under construction in Muscat for investment or living is a crucial and complex decision, as it involves many factors and criteria that need to be considered and evaluated. A luxury property under construction is a property that is still in the process of being built or completed, and that offers a high level of quality, comfort, and exclusivity. A luxury property under construction can be an apartment, a townhouse, a villa, or a penthouse, depending on the size, design, and features of the property. In this chapter, Real Estate Group will discuss what to look out for when choosing a luxury property under construction in Muscat for investment or living. What additional amenities and services should be on the property. We will also provide some examples of the best projects and developers that offer luxury properties under construction in Muscat in 2024. Factors and criteria to consider when choosing a luxury property under construction in Muscat for investment or living. There are many factors and criteria that need to be considered when choosing a luxury property under construction in Muscat for investment or living, such as 1. Criterion. Location. The location of the property is one of the most important factors to consider, as it affects the value, the demand, the accessibility, and the lifestyle of the property. The location of the property should be in a prime and desirable area in Muscat, such as Al Mouj, Madinat Al Sultan Qaboos, or Shadi Al Kuram, as we discussed in the previous chapter. The location of the property should also be close to the sea, the city center, and other major attractions and facilities in Muscat, such as the airport, the malls, the business districts, the schools, the hospitals, etc. The location of the property should also offer a beautiful and pleasant view of the sea, the mountains, or the city, depending on the preference of the buyer. 2. Criterion. Developer. The developer of the property is another key factor to consider, as it affects the quality, the reliability, the reputation, and the guarantee of the property. The developer of the property should be a reputable and experienced company that has a proven track record in the Muscat real estate market, especially in the luxury segment and the property under construction niche. The developer of the property should also have a good relationship and communication with the buyers and provide them with regular updates, feedback, and reports on the progress and status of the property. The developer of the property should also offer a clear and comprehensive contract, a flexible and secure payment plan, and a warranty and after-sales service for the property. 3. Criterion. Project. The project of the property is another essential factor to consider, as it affects the design, the features, the amenities, and the delivery of the property. The project of the property should be a well-planned and well-managed development that offers a range of luxury properties under construction that suit different needs and budgets. The project of the property should also have a clear and realistic timeline and schedule for the completion and handover of the property, and adhere to the highest standards of quality and safety. The project of the property should also offer a variety of amenities and services on the territory of the residential complex, such as access control, swimming pools, gyms, spas, playgrounds, parking, security, etc. 4. Criterion. Property. The property itself is another important factor to consider, as it affects the comfort, the functionality, the customization, and the profitability of the property. The property should be suitable for the intended purpose, whether it is for investment or living. The property should also match the preferences and expectations of the buyer, such as the size, the layout, the design, the finishing, the fittings, the appliances, the furniture, etc. The property should also offer some additional features and services that enhance the value and the appeal of the property, such as smart home systems, concierge services, cleaning services, etc. These are some of the main factors and criteria to consider when choosing a luxury property under construction in Muscat for investment or living. However, there may be other factors that may influence your decision, such as the price, the financing, the legal aspects, the risk assessment, etc. Therefore, before making a final decision, we recommend you to consult with us on WhatsApp +797 737 65428, and Real Estate Group will find you the best real estate options in Oman. Examples of the best projects and developers that offer luxury properties under construction in Muscat in 2024. There are many projects and developers that offer luxury properties under construction in Muscat in 2024, but some of them stand out for their quality, reputation, and value. Here are some examples of the best projects and developers that offer luxury properties under construction in Muscat in 2024. Al Mouj Muscat. Al Mouj Muscat is one of the most prestigious and popular projects that offer luxury properties under construction in Muscat. Al Mouj Muscat is a master-planned waterfront community that spans over 6 kilometers of coastline and covers an area of 2.5 million square meters. Al Mouj Muscat features a range of luxury properties, from apartments and townhouses to villas and penthouses, that offer stunning views of the sea, the marina, or the golf course. Al Mouj Muscat also boasts a world-class infrastructure and amenities, such as a 400-berth marina, an 18-hole golf course, a shopping mall, a hotel, a school, a hospital, and a variety of restaurants, cafes, and leisure facilities. Al Mouj Muscat is developed by Muscat Al Futtaim, a leading developer and operator of shopping malls, hotels, and mixed-use communities in the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. Sarai Marina Villas. Sarai Marina Villas is another excellent project that offers luxury properties under construction in Muscat. Sarai Marina Villas is a collection of ultra-luxury villas that are located on a private island within Al Mouj Muscat. Sarai Marina Villas offer unparalleled privacy, exclusivity, and elegance with spacious and contemporary designs, lavish interiors, and premium fittings and appliances. Sarai Marina Villas also offer direct access to the marina, the golf course, and the beach, as well as a range of bespoke services and facilities, such as a private jetty, a concierge, a clubhouse, a spa, a gym, etc. Sarai Marina Villas is developed by Al Mouj Muscat, a joint venture between the Oman government, Muscat Al Futtaim, and Oman National Investments Development Company. Zunera Mansions. Zunera Mansions is a third project that offers luxury properties under construction in Muscat. Zunera Mansions is a series of exclusive villas that are located on the beachfront of Al Mouj Muscat. Zunera Mansions offer a unique and sophisticated lifestyle with elegant and spacious designs, exquisite interiors, and state-of-the-art fittings and appliances. Zunera Mansions also offer spectacular views of the sea, the mountains, and the golf course, as well as a range of amenities and services, such as a private pool, a garden, a terrace, a smart home system, a concierge, a security, etc. Zunera Mansions is developed by Al Mouj Muscat, a joint venture between the Oman government, Muscat Al Futtaim, and Oman National Investments Development Company. These are some of the best projects and developers that offer luxury properties under construction in Muscat in 2024. However, there are other projects and developers that may also suit your needs and goals, such as Marouge Lanes, Gulf Beach Residences, Jinan Island, etc. Therefore, before making a final decision, Real Estate Group recommends you to consult us on WhatsApp, +797 737 65428, and we will find you the best options in Oman. We hope this chapter from Real Estate Group will help you choose the best under construction luxury real estate in Muscat for investment or living. Listen to Part 3 for the continuation.